Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a pipeline in ClickUp step by step. Whether you're managing leads for a growing business, organizing your sales stages more clearly, or you simply want a smarter way to track deals from start to finish, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to the ClickUp website. Make sure you're logged into your ClickUp account so you can access your workspace right away. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar and click on your workspace. This is where all your projects, lists, and workflows live, so it's the perfect place to set up your sales pipeline. Next, look for the plus icon on your screen. This icon is used to add new items in ClickUp, including templates. Click on the plus icon, and from the list of options that appears, select Templates. This is where ClickUp really shines, because it offers ready-made solutions that save you time and effort. When the Templates page opens, click on all template types to make sure you're seeing every available option. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar. Click into it and type Sales Pipeline. This helps you quickly narrow things down and find exactly what you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. Once you see the Sales Pipeline template in the results, hover over it carefully. You'll notice a button labeled Quick Use. Click on Quick Use to instantly add the Sales Pipeline template to your workspace. It's fast, simple, and requires no complicated setup. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the right workspace selected, check that you have permission to add templates, and think ahead about how you want to customize your pipeline stages. Doing this upfront can save you time later and keep everything organized. Once the template is added, you can start customizing it by editing stages, adding tasks, assigning team members, and tracking deals through each step. After that, you'll be able to manage leads and monitor progress efficiently, all in one place. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a sales pipeline in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?